Okay, I think I got it.
Okay. Awesome. How's it look?
It looks pretty weird,
Very
man.
staticky. Alright, tonight I am going to be bringing you the white noise challenge. I heard about this online, and pretty much you just surround yourself with as much white noise as you can, and then you wait and see what happens. So, that's what I'm gonna do. From what I understand, all I really have to do is just sit here, and the results can be a bunch of different things. I heard about people seeing things, hearing things after they finished and they were going through the video. Some people said that stuff happened after they stopped doing the challenge. So right now, I'm just hearing a lot of noise, that's it. So maybe I'll hear more. We'll see what happens. Got real hot all of a sudden. I don't think this was supposed to do that. No. Does it sound louder to you too? Alex!
Yeah, a little bit.
Are you getting hot?
No, I'm fine.
Can you really not tell how loud that was? Was that really loud when it got quiet?
I mean, a little bit.
Like quieter? Like,
I mean, yeah, a little bit, but I mean...
I felt like I couldn't even think for a minute. It was so loud. But you didn't, was it not like that?
No, but these ones are starting to mess up, though. Like, they're going slower than the other ones are going. Let's see, that's normal.
So far, this is way creepier than I thought it would be.
Maybe it's that I'm farther back. Like, you're in the sound, and I'm all the way back here. Let me, hang on one second. Let me try something, okay?
Okay.
Okay, yeah, it's definitely a little bit louder.
But do you think it's just because I'm in it?
Probably.
Okay.
I mean, so far I've not seen anything that was creepy. Do you want me to leave the room for a little bit?
Maybe.
Okay.
It wouldn't be a bad idea.
I'm just gonna leave it on you like that. Do you want it wide or do you want it tight?
I think it's fine.
Okay.
Keep hearing something behind me, and I know it's just static. It's so stupid. think I'm done.
You okay?
Yeah, I think I'm done.
Why?
I don't know. I'm getting real creeped out. I think maybe it's just the static. I don't know, but I'm getting real creeped out. I think I'm done. Let's turn it off, okay?